to this week's video. So for this week's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of a different one. It is in my car, and we're actually going to be turning my car into a VSCO girl transformation. So that's the type of video that I thought about late at night, and I was like, we're doing it. So I have some of my supplies right there in that Amazon box, and then I am going to be getting some of them tomorrow, so you guys, for me tomorrow, later in the video for you guys. So yeah, anyways, step number one is to clean out my car. It is a little bit of a mess, so we have to clean her up a little bit, and then we will be on to decorating. So let's go.
You can find me at my best when I'm naked, when I'm lying by the pool getting faded. See, I used to give a fuck, now I'm jaded. I'm allergic to the bullshit, allergic to the bullshit. Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath, no regrets, cause I do it like it's roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s.
Okay, so my next step is to decorate, and I'm going to start decorating from the back and kind of working my way up. So let's do that, and I'm also trying to finish before it gets super dark because I still have some lighting so I can still like film. So let's see what we can get done. Okay, so the first thing that's gonna go in the back is this blanket, and it's like blue. I don't know, I like it. It's really pretty. I found it on Amazon. All of this is from Amazon, and I'll link it all down below, or most of it's from Amazon. So yeah.
But you won't see through the tints in my Tesla. I be blocking out the world.
Hey guys, it's me Maddie, and welcome back to the second part of today's video. So we're gonna go to Target to go get some snacks, gum, any other fun last minute car decorations. So I thought, why not just go to Target? Target's really close to my house. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I just got back in my car from Target, and I got 2 bags. I spent a total of like $23 on like some snacks and a thing I need for my car anyways, which are like leather cleaning stuff. So I got some of that. We are about to head we're about to head back home. It's like a 5-minute drive. So I'm gonna head back home, and then we're gonna start on the car stuff. So let's go. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I know I did put the blanket down yesterday back here. But first I got these like leather cloths so I can clean my leather seats and stuff. So I'm gonna do that on my car first, and then we'll go back to decorating. So yeah.
It's a mess, yeah. I'm allergic to the bullshit. Allergic to the bullshit. Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath.
Okay, so now that cleaning my leather seats are done, I'm going to start, like how I said, from the back and go to the front. So let's start there. Anyways, I have this bin right here that I got off of Amazon, and we're going to be filling that up with the snacks and stuff that I bought today. And that's gonna go back here.
No regrets, 'cause shit behind me. Keep my diamonds blinding. Got it.
Okay, so the snack bin is back here. I'm currently still waiting on for the pillows to get here. I ordered them off Amazon and they're supposed to come here like today or tomorrow. So should be getting that very, very soon. So that's why they're not in the car right now. But a pillow is gonna go here, and then where I am, a pillow is gonna go there. So I think now really it's time to decorate the front of the car. So yeah. So first thing is this car cover, like a steering wheel cover, and I got this off of Amazon, and it has succulents on it. And if you guys don't know or haven't seen my dorm room, I'm obsessed with succulents. So I had to get succulents for my car, so I'm gonna be putting this on my steering wheel. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh, guys, this is adorable. I love this. Okay, so next thing is scrunchies, and I know I don't have the hair to do scrunchies, but we're gonna be doing scrunchies on the gear shift. And I don't have an emergency brake that fits right here. Mine's just a little lever down by my pedals. So this is just gonna go on the gear shift. So let's do it. And I think I picked pastel colors, so I think I'm gonna do like this mint right here. I really like that one. Blue. I think I might do like one of each maybe or something. We'll see. Okay, so that is done. Now I'm going to take this Apple cord for my phone charger and put in a different phone charger that I think is really gonna go with the theme. So, where is she? This one, it's like black, but it's like it's much more durable. But I just feel like it's gonna just look better. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm gonna put in this little coaster. I only have one of them, but it says, always remember you are braver than you think, stronger than you seem, and love more than you know. So this is really cute. I actually got it for Christmas. So I'm just gonna put it right in here. So I have this first mason jar right here, and I'm gonna put some like gum and stuff in it. So I have the Project 7 gourmet gum in rainbow ice. So I'm gonna put that in here. I've got the Project 7 cotton candy gum. And then I have some Orbit gum. So that's gonna be like all of like my gum and stuff that like it's probably gonna be needed if I'm in the car. So next is this mason jar. I'm gonna do like little health things that I need. I do have a first aid kit that I'm gonna be putting in my back later. But this is gonna be for like up here. So I have like a little tiny deodorant. I have a few band-aids in case I need this on an emergency in any reason, and more band-aids because I'm an injury-prone child, so I have extra band-aids. Random little thing, but tweezers, just in case if like I'm about to go on a date and I need to like tweeze my eyebrows. And then I know this seems a little excessive, trust me. I have 4 things of chapstick that are gonna go in this mason jar right here. And then so they are a Blix Raspberry Lemonade, a Burt's Bee Strawberry, a Bliss Tech Orange Mango Blast, and a Chapstick Pink Lemonade. Also on my health thing, I'm putting these Dentec like bristle brushes so they can get in between my braces, and these are really good for on the go, like if I'm about to go on a date or something like that. And then I always have a portable charger with me that's charged just in case if I'm going somewhere and I need to like charge my phone. on the go. I just always keep one in my car for some reason, but yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna keep a little hair like thing. I use this a lot for pictures. These are really cute to have like around for pictures if I need them. So I kind of always keep one little like picture prop at least with me. So yeah. And then I think I'm gonna put the extra scrunchies in my center console as well. So I'm gonna keep a pair of sunglasses. I don't know which. I think I'm gonna keep these in the center console. And then I'm gonna keep some of my wax for my braces in the center console as well. And then these sunglasses right here are gonna go actually in the spot where I had my wax, and right in front of my gear shift in that little square part. So yeah.
It's all up. It's all up. When I do it like it's brutal, roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and reggae, spending just to keep it moving. Put that shit behind me. Keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm shawty.
Okay, so we're gonna put a few things in the trunk of my car. So now it's time to clean out the back or trunk of my car, because I forgot that when I left my car here for a few months, my parents had it, right? And I didn't think about the back trunk. So I have to clean that out, and we're gonna decorate her and spruce her up a little bit.
Do it like it's roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and reggae, spending decks like keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm shawty in the 90s. Do it like it's yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that was it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and had some fun watching me decorate my car and got some inspiration to decorate your car if you have one. And it's really freaking hot. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.